We're back. So we're back. Mike is making these bowls more beautiful.
Yeah.
And we have this nice wall now. It's gonna be a bit nicer later. Did you film how you built that wall?
No.
In this episode, Mike makes a to-do list,
Honda.
and I plan how the exhaust should be made.
So we're gonna put on the lights today, maybe something more.
Yeah.
Alright, my question is, where on this line here should we put the blinkers?
I don't know. Dude, what if we just we use the blinkers as the bolt to connect the whole thing?
Dude, that's genius.
I know.
Let's just do that. That's one hole less.
Yeah. Like that?
Clean.
Yeah.
Nice. Then we just do that on the other side. Get those wires neat and nice. And then we're all good.
Squeeze in here. And we can, of course, adjust it up and down a bit. Ooh.
It actually looks really cool, exactly where it is.
Yeah, I think so. But, yeah. Okay, let's just fix the rest. We figured out the blinkers, because we're changing from the old stuff to LED. And that sort of fucks up the current.
This blinker relay, can you point at it?
Sick gangs.
Yeah. So
With the LED, it goes and you want it to go click, 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 click. So, yeah.
that is correct. So let's put this on and see how it looks. I just put on the screws at the bottom and
Yeah.
this looks amazing.
Woo! That great, huh? To give ourselves some motivation and just have like a plan, I thought we could make a checklist.
Brakes.
Brakes. Front. We need to vent them.
And bleed them.
Bleed them. Oh yeah. Is it different?
Yeah.
When we
Yeah,
say
yeah.
vent?
In Norwegian we say vent them.
That
I don't know.
doesn't make sense at all. Fenders, back and front fenders needs paint.
The back fender will need some welding as well. And exhaust. What are we gonna do there?
Just throw it in the ditch, because it's gonna be loud. If we're gonna legally be riding this bike on the streets, we need some pipes.
Some resonator, I think, yeah.
Yeah. We have some of the old ones.
And we threw it away.
Oh, we don't have the... Yeah, we bought new pipes.
Yeah, we bought new pipe, but that was just pipes, so we need to fit something in there
Yeah.
to kill the noise.
Marbles?
Yeah,
Can I suggest marbles?
sounds good. So that's the Honda, but we also have another project that we're not gonna talk so much about right now.
No. It's the bluish one over there, which we sort of finished almost maybe a year ago, and then we just put it aside because we wanted to start working on the Goldwing. But it has a few things left. It's the as well rear light assembly. We need air filters and fix the seat, because this seat is just not, well, it's cool, but it's not cool enough. And the bike needs a service. And then we're probably gonna discover some more that we forgot. But that's gonna be a cool bike as well. But
Let's get back to business.
Yeah.
So after our checklist break, we got back to work. There's really not much left to do to get this bike completely finished and ready for the road. Mike started working on the rear fender that needed some more love and a reshape.
Is that a scientific way of making an edge?
Yeah, if you need something circular, then I think I Got the same shape on the other side as well. Yeah.
Cool.
Shazam.
While the edges got shaped, I went ahead and rebuilt the wiring for the front of the bike. This meant some wires had to go completely, some extended, and some few added. This is definitely not an easy job, and you really need to keep your focus turned on at 100.
It's a new day.
Yes.
Mike has done.
Amazing work.
Show us what you got.
I know in the previous video I said it should have like a badass buckle. We ended up with a push button, but it works. Of course, it's gonna have the side cover on top of it, so it's just for if you know, you know. And it's gotta be quality. It's not rubber. It will fade and it will be dirty within a few months, but I think it's gonna be cool. But what have you done?
I've done the wiring.
Wiring.
Yeah, so all of this. New connectors.
Nice.
And then on the other side, the light side also has new connectors. So that is done. The only thing left is we have a few auxiliary wires left. And
because we talked about putting in a USB charging.
maybe. Yeah. So that's what they're for, and we can decide later. So I think we can.
Let's check off something on the list. Yeah.
Nice.
The exhaust was the next thing on the list. But the middle stand was kinda not good looking, so we decided it was redundant and the bike is too heavy for its usefulness anyway. And in order to remove the middle stand, we had to remove the exhaust headers and later refit them.
It's so much heavier than I would think.
Is it a trumpet?
Yep. No,
So, exhausts. How do we want to do it? Yeah? Like we can do this angle a bit more like this. From there.
Yeah.
And then we'll go all the way up here and then do like a whoop. Hang it up from this one. And do a
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
But the big question is, where can we fit the DB killer?
The closet.
In the closet.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll think about that, and once we know, we'll let you know.
Yeah.